And welcome. Today's video we're going to be unboxing our July Allure Beauty Box. I feel like I got this one pretty quick this month. So anyways, that's what today's video is all about. Quick disclaimer, you guys, my allergies are kicking my booty. Yesterday I was like non-functional, couldn't film. So today I'm trying to bust out as many videos as I can for you guys. So in case I need to take a day off and relax like I did yesterday, I'm not stressing to, you know, get the content for you guys. Anyways, guys, I just thought I'd throw that out there that if I seem a little bit more off than normal, that's why. The brain is floating around up in there. It's a mess. Anyways, guys, if you are new here, hello and welcome to the Hot Mess Express. But fortunately, it's a judgment-free, stress-free, and drama-free zone. I don't even know at this point if I said it correctly, but you guys get what I'm trying to say, right? Okay. Anyways, I'm thrown off. But welcome to the least professional channel out here on the YouTube internet. Let's just get into this unboxing, guys. I've lost my mind. Okay, guys, so a little information about the Allure Beauty Box. This is a $15 plus tax beauty box every single month. I do use donations from our Patreons to purchase this beauty box. So thank you to our Patreons for your donations for the month of June and for the month of July, because like I said, this is how I purchased this Allure Beauty Box. You can cancel at any time. Like I said, it is a monthly subscription, and I actually started getting the subscription because you guys highly recommended the subscription, and I have to say, you guys haven't stared me wrong yet. This is a pretty awesome box. So jumping right in, this is how they ship it. There is not another like box component or envelope or anything like that. It does come like this with a piece of plastic over top of it. I have not looked in here. I just took the plastic off. So as a, oh, things are falling. Calm down now. I'll look at you in a second. Anywho, we always get a little pamphlet, and this pamphlet does tell us about each item in here, retail value. Sometimes there's a coupon code. What I will say, and I say it every single month, the only thing about the pamphlet that I don't enjoy is it's more of like a mini review of the product in here, which I guess if you're like a reader, that may be helpful. I'm not. I just need to know what and where to put this product and what it's going to do for me. That's it. I don't want to know what you think of it just yet. You know what I mean? Because that's just me. Anyways, so that's always my complaint every single month, but it's like not that big of a deal. Okay, so jumping right in, we do have our little tissue paper, and let's pull the biggest box first. Ooh, this is expensive. Peach and Lily Glass Skin Refining Serum. You guys know your girl loves her some skincare. It is my jam. My thing back in, I think it was 2018, was I want to be able to go out into the world and like not feel like I have to put makeup on my face, you know what I mean? So I really started to pay attention to the vitamin C serums, the retinol serums, things like that, or retinol creams, what have you. So really excited to play around with this. Let's see what kind of information we can find. Okay, I'm not going to read the review because I honestly, one, I don't feel that good. Two, I'm just not a big time reader. And three, I don't want to. It's my channel. I do what I want. Oh, sassy pants are engaged. Ah. Anywho, this is a, oh, it's actually not as expensive as I thought. For some reason, I thought this was like pushing like $100 type of serum, but it's not. It is $39 for this Peach and Lily serum. Let's just read what it says on here. Why compromise? Have it all. These products are inspired by you. We push the limits of innovation to make your skin care, to make sure your skincare includes everything that you want. Can you just tell me what this does? Okay, well, what I can tell you, oh, it says poreless, luminous, transparent glass skin is yours. So there you go. I'm like the worst unboxer on some days, man. Ooh, what is this? This is a butter lip and cheek. Why does this look familiar? Did I get this last month? I don't remember. I don't even remember half the time what day it is anymore. Like, I was on the phone with my, did we get this? I got this, right? Did I get this? I was on the phone with my insurance company, and they're like, what day do you feel like this happened? I'm like, honey, I don't even know what day it is today or what I had for dinner last night. Like, I don't know. I'm just calling to tell you what's going on. You know what I mean? Nothing serious, by the way, guys. Okay, let's just open this up. I have no idea. All I know is, like, I feel like I've gotten something like this before, but I don't know. I think I did, right? Wait a minute. Hold up. Okay, I'm just confused with life. Okay, so this was in the glossy box, but it's not. Is it the same brand? It's not the same brand. Okay, it's just a similar product. Oh gosh. I'm here for your entertainment purposes, guys. What can I say? Anyways, this looks like it is a cheek. I'm not going to swatch it. Yeah, I took the plastic off of it, but I'm not going to swatch it. I'm going to put it back in the box because I already have this and I already swatched a product very, very similar to it. But this is the Butter Lip and Cheek Balm. And what I will show you is what it's similar to. Is that right? I'm gonna. Okay, it's gonna be like this. Dear God, the struggle bus. So this, I'll show you guys. This is the one that is in the Allure box, and this is the one I got. So obviously you see the coloring is different, but like I said, I'm not gonna swatch it. I'm just gonna pop it right back into the box for you guys. But what it is just very similar to this, where it is a balm. You can put it on your lips and you can put it on your cheeks. It's like a multi-purpose type of product. And honestly, I like the color of this one better. It's got more of that like sun-kissed, sunburned look to it. But like I said, I'm gonna put that aside because I already have this one that I've already opened up, touched, and all of that stuff. Is that bad? That's not bad, right? Look, I was swatching a lipstick from a BoxyCharm. This thing is not going anywhere, guys. It's crazy. Okay, so let's do a little information on that product. So it's from a brand that obviously I can't enunciate, so I'm going to show you guys. This is what the box looks like. Really cute little packaging. It does have a retail value of $16, and like I said, it's good for blush or to like put on your lips. The next item in here is by Dr. Jart, and it's like this little cutesy little mini size. I think it said sunscreen on here, which is enough to like figure out whether or not you like the product. It's a mineral sunscreen. I really don't like when my brain is all over the place. So a retail value of the large size is $39. And I've never tried this before, but it does have SPF 50. And like I said, it's a nice little deluxe sample to, you know, figure out whether or not you like it. The next item in here is by OC Ocean Cleanser Mineralize and Balance. Normal, dry, and combo. Organic seaweed cleansing gel removes surface impurities and excess oil. Ooh. Let's open it up. Oh, wow. Is that the full size? Has a nice little pump on here. Nice little, like, bougie bottle, too. Let's see what we can find about this. Oh, okay. So, I don't think that this is the full size. I don't really know, but $48 is the full. Okay, 5.8 ounces would be full size. This is 0.6, so this is like deluxe size. So $48, and this person did say my skin is on the dry side, so the wrong face wash can leave my face uncomfortably tight, red, and in need of thick moisturizing. But I've also got the new oily. Whatever. I don't know. I don't like how they do that. Like, stop. Anywho, we'll test it out. I'll let you guys know. You'll see it probably in a future video, like empties or something. We've got two more products in here. One is an acne cover patch. I love these things. I love these things. I love these things. So these are like the little dots that you get. You get 8 of them in here. The nice thing about these is I will use these before bed. I've never tried this brand, but these little patches, and I'll pop them wherever. Like right now I've got some hormonal breakouts happening. I mean, like, let's add that to my waking up and trying to figure out, is this allergies? But yeah, now we've got some zits to play around with. But I do like these kind of patches. My teens use them as well, and they work really nice. Like, I don't know if it just draws the impurity out of the pimple or what it does, but you wake up and it's like, looks a whole lot better than it did. And I swear they don't last as long either, like the zit. So anyways, and then of course the last item is the Charcoal Pore Care Lap COS. This is a sheet mask, and I'm thinking it might be one of those ones that have the bubbles. I don't know. Let's see if we have anything on this. It does say this mask alone is $3, and it is a charcoal detox mask that will leave your face downright thirsty. What? They're often too much for my skin. Okay, we're going into another flippin' review. I'll review it for you guys, and I'll short and sweet and to the point, with probably a long left-hand turn and a story that makes no sense whatsoever, but welcome to my brain. Anywho, that is everything that we did receive in the July Allure box. And like I said, this is a $15 box, and I do feel like you always get your money's worth as far as that goes, and I have yet to have a box where I've been let down. So like I said, you guys recommended this box, subscription box, to me. I used to unbox it back in 2017 and kind of got away from it for a while, and when Sephora Play went away, you guys were like, you need to come back to the Allure Beauty Box. You guys are right, it's a great box, and I do like it. And I do like, for the fact of $15, you're getting full-size products in here, or the products that aren't full size are still, you're getting a very, very good amount. It's like with any subscription, you get to test out high-end expensive brands and then very, very affordable brands, and that is one thing I definitely like about the Allure Beauty Box. So anyways guys, let me know your thoughts on your July Allure Beauty Box. Did you think it was worth the $15? By the way, we do have a Balzano giveaway going on. I will leave that linked in the description box down below, as well as in the comment section. If you guys are curious about what is on my face, let me just tell you. Seriously, my Zyrtec needs to kick in. So on my face, some of the items that I do have is from the OFRA Pro palette. You guys know I picked this up a while ago, and since purchasing it, I am now an affiliate with OFRA. So yay, I'm super excited. I do have a 20% off coupon code. This was actually on sale when I picked it up, and I want to say I got it for like 20 some bucks or something. Let me take the little casing thing off. Look at all the stuff that you get in this. Isn't that amazing? If you use code HOTMESS, you can save 20% off on the sale, as well as on the regular priced items. I also have the Jen Loves Reviews lipstick trio, and that is going to be releasing July 20th. You can use my coupon code HOTMESS for that as well. Like I said, it is an affiliate code. I do have my Gerard Cosmetics the lip liner in the shade Nude with the Revive, which is the lightest shade of the Jen Loves Reviews trio, and a little bit of the Fenty Gloss Bomb in the center. I do have the new Urban Decay Lash Freak mascara on that they sent over. I love this stuff, and I'm not just saying that because they sent it over. I love this stuff because, like, one coat and I'm like, oh shitty. You know what I mean? As far as what is on my eyes, I do have the Dominique Cosmetics Rustic Glam palette on. I actually have these greens on with some of the orangey shades and the taupe shades. Really pretty palette, and we actually saw this as a sneak peek for BoxyCharm, just saying. And then I do on my cheeks have my Scott Barnes Cheeky Chic that was given to me by one of my wonderful subscribers. And I do have the Ace Beauté, and I moved it. The Ace Beauté contour palette that was just in a BoxyCharm on. So anyways, that is everything on my face. I think, probably not. I'll maybe try and link it down below. You guys, I am like a scatterbrained mess right now, and I'm really tired, but girls got pay bills. So anywho, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day wherever you are. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Feel free to share this video with some of your friends if you're like, oh, you gotta see this train wreck over here on the YouTube. I can't believe she uploads things like this, and they might want to watch it. Send them my way. you never know what you're gonna get over here, you know what I mean? Anyways, friends, until next time, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye!